assignment where you're using the goREACT table, you are going to be creating a data table. So we want to guide you in this because if you've never done that before, it can just seem pretty daunting. And we don't want it to be that way. We really want you to grow in these skills and to have fun doing them. So what you're going to do is after you hit that submit assignment button, you're going to go to text entry, and you've done this before on other assignments. And you are going to enter a 3x9. There we go. A 3x9 table. There you go. And then here we're going to say elements. Oops. So element 1, element 2, and these are the elements that we are going to react. And then here you're going to put your observation. Okie doke. And I'm going to go ahead and show you something because I just now changed my mind and I thought about stopping this recording and redoing it. And I thought, no, I want to show you the creativity process. So as you're creating things, you might think of something that you want to add or take away, and you need to know how to do these things with these features. So notice that once I am clicked inside the table anywhere, it's going to give me these options here. The properties won't go into that right now, but if you want to delete your whole table and start again, you can do that. Insert a row before. So wherever the cursor is, it's going to create another row. Well, I don't want the row here. I want it above here because I just realized we need to give our table a title. So I want to insert a goREACT before this one. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to call this goREACT reacting elements 1 and 2. And that's good enough. Yeah, that'll work. And then I'm just going to give it some color. You can choose whatever color you like to distinguish it from the rest of the table. All right, so we are going to react elements 1 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and give you the elements that you're going to be reacting, but then you also get to have fun finding 2 of your own. So we're going to react magnesium and oxygen, silver and chlorine, sodium and fluorine, calcium and oxygen, silver and bromine, nitrogen and oxygen. And then here, this is going to be your choice. This is going to be your choice. And I I have literally decided I want to make my table look a little different, so I'm going to show you this so that if you decide you want to change it or make a mistake, you won't feel frustrated. You'll actually know what to do. So what I want to do is get rid of this row. So you come down here, delete row. Cool. What I do want is to add a row between where it says element 1, element 2, observations, and the rest. So I want to do a row before. And then I think it'd be good to have you guys put the reaction between sodium and chlorine that you did when you were looking at this resource for the first time. We're going to do that together here on the video. And then I actually want to add another one to give it, some separation. Cool. All right, so when you first looked at this resource, goREACT, you did react sodium and chlorine. So what I want to do is have you go back to something familiar that you've already done. And then we're going to put in observations. And I'm doing that because I want you to see that it's really not as hard as it might sound like when you hear the words data table. That sounds really intimidating, but it's so easy. So we're going to react sodium and chlorine. You've done this before. Whoa! Observations. All that means is, what are you seeing? Well, I saw a couple of things, and I want to see it again because that's super fun. Let's react sodium, a very reactive metal. Oh, and look, it's telling you try some fluorine. You could do that. Those could be, or actually, we're going to do that. So react sodium and chlorine. All right, I'm observing white salt, table salt, and look at that, a release of energy. Oh my, huge release of energy. So I'm going to say I saw table salt. Look at that. Look at how easy that is. Not even a complete sentence. And you know what? I'm going to say huge release of energy. There you go. This is how you're going to build your data table. Now, I don't want to show you any of the other ones because it's going to take away from the fun for you guys. But it's super cool. You're going to see some cool things here. It's going to give you clues, going to tell you things. Let's see. I'm going to just try something I've never tried before because that's what you're going to have to do when you make your choice. So I want to show you how this table is going to help you. I want to do MN. Why? I don't know. Just seems like fun. Manganese is a hard, brittle metal. It reacts easily, making it useful for alkaline batteries. Oh, it reacts easily? With what? I don't know. I mean, actually, I do, but guys, I'm pretending like I'm you. I don't know. Let's try things. Try adding some copper. Oh, okay. And then it tells you where it is. Whoa. Plains seed clouds with copper iodide. Huge release of energy. So the manganese really didn't do much, but look, it shows you. Once it's reacted, it maintains that compound. So in your table, you could put copper and iodine. And then you could talk about the plains and seeding clouds. But notice it said you could add some oxygen. Okay. Try adding some calcium. My goodness. I'm going a little crazy here. You know what? I don't want to. I'm bored with you guys. But you know what I want to do? Again, is that copper and iodine. Woohoo! What are your observations? Well, copper iodide, huge release of energy, planes seed clouds with copper iodide to make it rain. And that's what you could put in your observations. All right, I hope that that helps and that you don't feel as intimidated. These are literally the elements that you are required to react. So don't change these. React to these and write your observations. This is where you get to choose. And guess what? Now you know how to add more rows. So if you want to do more than just one choice here, you could do extra. Shoot, that's better. But to accomplish the assignment, you have to at least do one reaction on your own. So here's where you could put that copper and the iodine. And of course, when you do that, hopefully you're going to get rid of that. Cool. I hope that helps and good luck to you. Bye.